So I'm like, it's time to go. She's like, no, you're just like every other guy. We don't care. I never touched her at all.
On April 19th, 2026, an officer responded to a bar disturbance and effected a misdemeanor battery arrest of a visibly impaired woman. This analysis examines three decisive questions: whether the probable cause foundation was constitutionally adequate, whether the questioning of the impaired subject complied with controlling precedent, and whether the absence of investigation into a counter-narrative met professional standards.
I got it.
Wait, let go of me!
Hurry up!
He fucking touched me when I didn't even think Sarah. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Back up.
It's okay. What's
Hey,
happening?
back up.
It's okay.
Back up over here. Let him do what you gotta do, okay?
Come this way. Yeah.
She able to grab it.
Take her out. What happened?
So here, she wouldn't go down here, so I'm like, it's time to go. She's like, no, you're just like every other guy. We don't care. I never touched her at all.
Okay.
Then we got her to come down here, and she wanted to cry. I'm like, I don't. And I was like, we don't care. Just leave my bar. And she just turned around and went, bam. Like,
And you want to press charges?
sure, yeah.
Hit somebody on the stairs.
She
She didn't hit me, but she was
Can I
grabbing
see
me.
video?
She was grabbing me.
Video.
That was fucking crazy. Yeah.
The smell is coming from her compressed spray shooter bar is what it was.
Oh, okay. Shooter bar?
Come on.
That's way too far, but where is smelling
Wait. Going off.
Sarah,
Yeah.
we're gonna I'm gonna transfer you to my car, okay?
No, why?
Are you gonna be ladylike and able to walk? Or...
Why?
All right, so this is how this is gonna go.
Wait, why is he?
You're not gonna be doing all this screaming and shit, okay? You're going to jail, okay? That's the end of it. All right, there's no changing that. You put your hands on somebody, and that person wants to press charges, so you're going to jail. You understand me? Okay, so we can either do this the easy way, or we could do this the hard way. The easy way is I'm gonna take the seatbelt off. You're gonna walk to my car and sit down in there, okay? The hard way is that I'm gonna have to grab you and then throw you in the back of my car. What do you prefer? You prefer the first one, right? Okay. All right. Why'd you take your shoes off? All right, I'm just waiting on you. Besides alcohol, what did you take tonight? Doesn't matter. You can't get charged for it, but you obviously have taken more than alcohol. Take any pills? Are you on any type of prescription medication or anything like that? Okay. Why miss the fun?
So busy when I was
Yeah.
Sarah, What state is your ID out of? Why you way over there?
Yeah, I don't know.
What state is your ID out of? Virginia, that's why. Okay. You said I could put it on Elvis or something.
All right. We're gonna get out the car now, okay? Okay, so let's get out. You try to put your sandals back on. We're gonna walk this way, Sarah, this way. So if you don't listen to what I'm telling you, then I'm gonna have to grab you, okay? So let's walk this way. Like now.
Wait, do what?
To this car, over here. I just told you like 5 times already. Let's walk up the step here. All right, pay attention. There's a curb here. There's a curb. So step on the curb. Oh, good job. You're following with directions. Right over here, this car. All right. Okay. Okay, go ahead, take a seat. There you go.
The Probable Cause Foundation rests on a citizen witness account under Illinois versus Gates, 1983, which adopts a totality of the circumstances test for informant reliability. Citizen witnesses receive a presumption of reliability greater than confidential informants, but the presumption is not absolute. When the witness is also the alleged victim's parent and the establishment's proprietor, the officer must weigh that bias in the calculus. Under Maryland versus Pringle, 2003, the constitutional threshold for arrest is a fair probability, not certainty, that an offense has occurred. Atwater versus Lago Vista, 2001, confirms that a custodial arrest on probable cause is permissible even for the lowest tier misdemeanors. The witness's account, however incomplete, satisfies both thresholds for the arrest itself. The officer's structured easy way or hard way warning is a textbook example of pre-force verbal de-escalation endorsed by the Police Executive Research Forum and the International Association of Chiefs, Police. The technique offers a clear binary choice, shifts responsibility for any subsequent force onto the subject's decision, and creates a clean documentary record. In this encounter, it produced full compliance without any force applied.
Excuse me, officer. Quick question. Do you know anything about a place where they play like EDM music?
What are you doing? You alright? Come on, sit up for me, okay? Okay, what's your first name? Spell it for me. Huh?
S-A-R-A-H.
I can't hear you.
S-A-R-A-H.
Middle name? What's your middle name, love?
J-O.
A-L? J-L?
J-O.
Uh-huh. J-O?
J-O.
Uh-huh.
Joe.
Just J-O, no E?
J-O.
Okay, what's your last name? What's your middle name? I mean your last name.
B.
B.
R.
R.
I.
I.
T.
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 clearly nothing different.
O
O
N
N Britain. What's your birthday?
07
07
9
09
7
7. What's your date of birth, ma'am?
God, my fucking face is so fucking. I'm sorry, my fucking.
Ma'am, I need your date of birth, okay? I can't help you out.
It's
Okay.
July 9th.
Uh-huh. What's the year you were born?
96.
96.
I'm just fucking.
What's your phone number?
804
804
357
804 357
5080.
5080.
Sorry, my face is so fucking uncomfortable. I'm
Alright.
trying to be difficult.
Alright, try to be fast, alright? Come on now.
The questioning that followed implicates two Fifth Amendment doctrines. Under Berkemer v. McCarty, 1984, ordinary roadside questioning is non-custodial. Once an arrestee is seatbelted into a patrol vehicle and informed she is going to jail, that line shifts. New York v. Quarles, 1984, recognizes a public safety exception permitting questions about substances when the purpose is medical aid. The officer's accompanying assurance that the subject could not be charged for her answer invokes. Colorado v. Connelly, 1986. Voluntariness for Fifth Amendment purposes requires the absence of police coercion. Affirmative misrepresentations about the consequences of speaking are a factor in the totality of circumstances analysis, weighed by a court if the answer is later offered as evidence against the speaker. Estelle v. Gamble, 1976, establishes that the constitutional duty of medical attention attaches once a person is in state custody. The subject's repeated statements about facial pain, combined with the witness's own admission that bar staff applied force to her, triggered an investigative obligation the recording does not document being fulfilled. The arrest survives constitutional review. The investigation does not. The arresting officer earns a B-. The verbal de-escalation was textbook. The investigation was one-sided. Failure to address an apparent injury, the unexplored counter-narrative, and the misleading drug use assurance prevent a higher grade. The subject earns a D. The underlying conduct, if substantiated, supports the arrest. Severe impairment and the absence of any invocation of constitutional rights compound her exposure. 3 lessons emerge. First, voluntary intoxication is not a defense, it is a liability that disables the very protections constitutional law provides. Second, the Fifth Amendment right to silence is not self-executing. It must be invoked clearly to count. Third, the constitutional duty of medical attention under Estelle v. Gamble is most reliably triggered by a clear, on-the-record statement of injury and request for help. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.